Picture this. You're heading out for that dream camping trip, but your gear is spilling out everywhere. Your tent won't fit, your cooler's blocking the rearview mirror, and don't even get me started on where the camping chairs are going. Sound familiar? I've spent weeks researching and comparing the best camping gear roof racks available on Amazon right now, and I'm breaking down the top 5 options that actually deliver on their promises. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a serious overlander, there's something here for everyone. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 1 is the XCAR Roof Basket Cargo Carrier. This isn't your typical bulky cargo basket. At just 23 inches wide, it's designed to take up only half of your crossbar space, which means you can still mount bikes, kayaks, or other accessories on the remaining space. That's brilliant for overlanders who want maximum versatility. The construction? Solid, heavy-duty steel with a black powder coating that protects against rust, scratches, and harsh weather conditions. With a 150-pound weight capacity, you're looking at plenty of room for camping equipment, sleeping bags, tents, and even a portable grill. Installation is straightforward with 4 universal U-bolts that fit square crossbars up to 4.6 inches wide or round bars up to 1.375 inches in diameter, meaning it'll work with most factory crossbars and aftermarket options. The shallow 4-inch depth is actually perfect for carrying coolers and camping gear without creating too much wind resistance. Now, here's something to consider. Because it's only 23 inches wide, if you're planning to haul extremely wide items like large rooftop tents, this might feel a bit narrow. But for most camping gear, coolers, and duffel bags, it's absolutely perfect. What I really appreciate is how this design lets you maximize your roof real estate. You're not sacrificing your entire roof for cargo when you might need that space for adventure sports gear. Check the link in the description for current pricing and availability. Coming in at number 2 is the ECOTRIC Universal Adjustable Roof Rack. We're talking about a massive 69 inches long by 39 inches wide footprint with an incredible 250-pound weight capacity. That's significantly higher than most competitors in this price range. The heavy-duty steel construction feels exceptionally solid and durable. What makes this stand out is the adjustable design that fits a wide range of SUV roof racks and various vehicle types. The package includes a full extension kit, which is fantastic because you can customize the setup based on your specific needs. All the necessary mounting hardware comes included, and the 4 universal U-bolts make installation pretty straightforward. At 5.1 inches deep, you've got plenty of vertical space for stacking gear, and outdoor enthusiasts report using this for everything from extended camping trips to moving bulky equipment. The huge cargo capacity means you can fit multiple tents, sleeping bags, cooking equipment, chairs, and still have room for more. Here's the thing to keep in mind, though. While the steel construction is robust, some experienced users recommend applying rust-resistant black spray paint before your first use for maximum longevity, especially if you're in humid or coastal areas. Taking an hour to do this weatherproofing will pay dividends down the road. The value here is exceptional. You're getting a rack that performs comparably to options costing 2 or 3 times as much. The universal mounting system works with most crossbars, and the assembly process is logical even if you're not particularly handy. For weekend warriors and regular campers, this is a fantastic choice. Link in the description. At number 3, we have the MAXXHAUL Heavy-Duty Universal Steel Roof Rack. The dimensions are generous at 64 inches long by 39 inches wide by 6 inches deep, with an inside dimension of 59 by 37 by 5 inches. That gives you loads of usable space for all your camping essentials. The 150-pound weight capacity is right in the sweet spot for most camping gear setups. What users really love is the 6-section construction that makes assembly and disassembly surprisingly easy, and it packages down compactly for storage when you're not using it. The heavy-duty steel frame features a black powder coat finish to prevent rust and corrosion, and the build quality feels legitimate for the price point. There are plenty of attachment points throughout the basket, making it easy to hook cargo netting and ratchet straps to keep everything secure during transport. Campers report fitting full camping setups with tents, coolers, chairs, and storage bins with room to spare. Now here's what you should know. While the powder coating is decent right out of the box, experienced users highly recommend applying truck bed spray liner for maximum rust protection, especially around the joints and welded areas. This is particularly important if you're doing frequent trips or camping in wet conditions. Taking an hour to do this weatherproofing will pay dividends down the road. The value here is exceptional. You're getting a rack that performs comparably to options costing 2 or 3 times as much. The universal mounting system works with most crossbars, and the assembly process is logical even if you're not particularly handy. For weekend warriors and regular campers, this is a fantastic choice. Link in the description. At number 4 goes the VEVOR Roof Rack Cargo Basket. The 200-pound load capacity is about 33% higher than the market average, which means you can confidently load heavier camping equipment, multiple bikes, or bulky cargo without worry. The 46 inches by 36 inches dimensions make this a more compact option, which is actually perfect if you've got a smaller SUV or don't need an absolutely massive footprint. The 4.5-inch depth keeps the profile aerodynamic while still providing adequate space for gear. The heavy-duty steel construction features double-layer protection. It's powder-painted and galvanized to resist rust and corrosion much more effectively than single-layer coatings. One feature I really appreciate is the front wind fairing. It's designed to reduce wind resistance and noise, and those curved corners aren't just for looks. They help prevent scratches and accidental injuries when you're loading and unloading gear. Installation uses 4 universal U-bolts that fit square bars up to 4.65 inches wide or round bars up to 1.375 inches in diameter, giving you broad compatibility. The basket handles tent camping luggage and loaded gear on longer road trips without any issues, and users consistently praise how steady and secure the crossbars remain throughout their journeys. VEVOR's customer service gets high marks too, with users noting they work with customers until issues are fully resolved. For the combination of above-average weight capacity, solid construction, and that double-layer rust protection, this is excellent value. Link in the description, as always. Rounding out number 5 is the Yakima LoadWarrior Cargo Basket. When people think roof racks, Yakima is often the first name that comes to mind, and there's good reason for that reputation. The LoadWarrior is a medium-sized cargo basket measuring 44 inches long by 39 inches wide by 6.5 inches tall. The weatherproof steel construction is built for durability and long-lasting performance use after use. Installation requires minimal assembly, and the universal mounting hardware fits Yakima's streamlined crossbars as well as most factory or aerodynamic crossbars from other manufacturers. In fact, accessories from Yakima work on Yakima crossbars and vice versa, giving you maximum versatility if you already have gear from either brand in your setup. One feature that's particularly clever is the optional LoadWarrior extension, which adds 18 inches and increases cargo capacity by 40%. This modular approach means you can start with the standard size and expand later if your needs grow, rather than having to buy a completely new rack. The weatherproof construction truly lives up to its name, and the build quality is noticeably more refined than budget alternatives. If you're someone who camps frequently or plans to use your roof rack for years to come, investing in a trusted brand like Yakima makes sense. All links are in the description for easy access. There you have it, my top 5 picks for camping gear roof racks that'll transform how you haul your adventure equipment. All the purchase links and current prices are waiting for you in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and safe travels out there.